Wow, welcome to my YouTube channel titled Teacher Karigo Njige. Yes, dear listeners, especially students who take literature and English in Tanzania and other parts of Africa. Today I have brought you the lesson about the novel analysis, which is The Concubine by L.H. Amadi. And the lesson of today is based on the synopsis or the short summary of the novel, The Concubine, so as to know the general content or the general themes of this novel, The Concubine. The Concubine talks about the issue of superstitious beliefs or witchcraft in Africa. That's why L.H. Amadi addressed the issue of superstitious beliefs and witchcraft in Africa, because most of the African societies or community believe in witchcrafts. That's why in Africa, especially African societies, most of the community, when they want to do any activities, they should include the elders who use medicine or local medicine to achieve their activities. That's why L.H. Amadi wrote this novel to impart knowledge and educate the readers and the young Africans to know how the lives of the Africans was and how the life of Africans continue in nowadays. And also L.H. Amadi wrote these novels so as to impart knowledge to the leaders or the learners on how to struggle against outdated customs, like the issue of superstitionary beliefs, how Africans are affected by superstitionary beliefs. When someone see maybe to achieve certain goals, he or she should consider their gods so as to affect someone's. That is bad. That's why this novel is still used in literature in English in Tanzania and other parts of African countries. Dear listeners, when someone asks you to explain a short summary about this novel, The Concubine, just tell him or her the novel is based on the issue of superstitious beliefs or the issue of witchcraft. That's why L.H. Amadi used the main character, Ihoma, who is a woman, but this woman passed on different problems. Ihoma, loved by anonymous man, or I can say anonymous character, who is seeking. We can't include in one of the characters used by L.H. Amadi because seeking is, I can say, is a spiritual character in this novel. Ihoma was loved by seeking, and then Ihoma born in this planet Earth, but Ihoma married by Emenike, but Emenike killed by seeking, because seeking gave the condition Ihoma that she will become the concubine and not a wife of someone's. And also seeking killed Madume because Madume approached Ihoma and he wanted to marry Ihoma. And these situations lead by seeking to kill Madume, and also seeking kill Ekweme want to marry Ihoma. Do you see how the issue of superstitious beliefs affected the life of Africans? That's why L.H. Amadi used his pen to address this issue to the young Africans or the Africans of today, to know the lives of Africans on those days. I'm talking about the lives before coming of colonialism and also the lives after coming of colonialism in Africa. Even today, these issues of superstitious beliefs and the witchcraft is still a big problem to the Africans. That's why you can You can use your knowledge and skills on how you can handle these challenges and the problems in your community or in your society. You can go in rural village and you can see how the development in rural village is still poor because of the issue of superstitious beliefs. And you as a intellectual or as a learner or educated ones, how can you develop the rural villages and become a city? That's why you should struggle against the issue of special beliefs. That's why nowadays churches reduce these outdated customs, the issue of superstition beliefs. Okay, that's the short summary or the short lesson about this novel, The Concubine by L.H. Ahmad. My name is Teacher Kaligo Njige, or Teacher Kadonji, the manager of literature and the world analyst of literature books. Don't forget to subscribe and share and comment below this video. Thank you.